Nolly! What you doing? What are you watching? Bubble Guppies? What's Bubble Guppies? What is it about?
Fish and mermaids.
Fish and mermaids? Can I put on a video? Okay, this is my brother's favorite show, Bubble Guppies. Isn't that right, Nolly? Favorite show? What's the names in there?
And crabs.
Crabs? What's the big fishy's name?
Mr. Grouper.
And who's the mean Mr. Grouper? Mr. Grump?
Him eat people.
Him eat people? Does he like Christmas? Okay, bye. This is my brother's favorite show. He wants me to record it and put it on YouTube. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just for like 10 more seconds. Okay, now we're getting back to my brother. Nolly, do you like any other shows or you just like Bubble Guppies?
I like SpongeBob and Bubble Guppies.
Just SpongeBob and Bubble Guppies, nothing else?
I love Jessie.
You like Jessie?
Yeah. I love monkeys.
Monkeys?
And Gorilla.
What's the monkeys? Is that a show? It is? I never seen it. Do you like Team Umi? Team Umi Zumi? Say Team Umi Zumi!
Team Umi Zumi!
Okay, bye-bye.
And I love monkeys.
No, say bye-bye to all the people on YouTube.
I love gorillas. Bye-bye.
Do it again?
I love gorillas. Bye-bye.
No, wait, go like this. Bye-bye.
I love gorillas.